Chapter 2, Climate and Natural Resources of India. India is a vast country in terms of area. Due to the vast natural diversities, the climatic conditions differ from region to region. Climate refers to the average weather conditions over a long period of time. The altitude of the place, location of mountains, plateaus, distance from the sea or ocean, the tides and currents of the sea or the ocean, and forest cover play an important roles in creating the climatic condition of the place. India is situated in northern hemisphere and lies between 8 degree north latitude to 37 degree north latitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the century country. Due to this, northern India experiences a cooler climate and it is warm in the central regions. Several places of the country are more than 1500 kilometers away from the coast. Due to this, those places experience extreme climatic conditions with both winters and summers being severe. However, the places situated at higher altitude are cooler, Srinagar and Manali. Now see here India's map, temperature, air pressure and wind direction in January and temperature, air pressure, direction, wind direction in July. Here both. Here some places here and some places from Arabian Sea and it is from northern. The rainfall in India is due to seasonal winds. The winds do not always blow in the same direction throughout the year. This results in unequal distribution of rainfall in different part of the country. Thus, Meghalaya and Assam experience heavy rainfall, whereas there is scanty rainfall in the desert region of Rajasthan. Southern India, being a peninsula, is surrounded by water bodies along its three sides. Due to this, places near the sea coast experiences moderate heat and cold. Consequently, these areas enjoy a moderate climate. The Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are on the coast east and west coast of South India, respectively. This also has an effect on the seasonal rainfall. Winds changing their course according to the seasonal is a special feature of India's climate. India experiences all these three seasons: winter, summer, and monsoon. First, we discussed about winter. India experiences cold weather in December, January, and February. Due to slanting rays of the sun during winter, the temperature fall. Places in northern and northeastern India like Simla and Darjeeling experience extremely cold temperature. Many a times the temperature falls below 5 degrees Celsius, which results in snowfall at times. It is not very cold in southern India as it is comparatively nearer to the equator. Now, summer. India experiences the summer season between March and May due to the direct rays of the sun falling on places near the Tropic of Cancer. The temperature is very high in many places of central and western India. The temperature ranges between 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius during April to June. It is extremely hot in the desert of Rajasthan. Now, monsoon. Monsoon is a very important season of India. It lasts from June to September. India receives approximately 80% rainfall during this month. The winds blowing across the Arabian Sea enter India through the Malabar coast of Kerala. That region receives the more than 300 centimeters of rain. The winds blowing across the Bay of Bengal brings rainfall to the eastern parts of India like West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, etc. The retreating monsoon winds bring rainfall to Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand in the month of October and November. You see here our annual rainfall of India. Now, effect of climate on human life we discussed in lecture 2.